A man in London tries to help a counter-espionage agent, but when the agent is killed and he stands accused, he must go on the run to both save himself and also stop a spy ring trying to steal top-secret information. Directed by Alfred Hitchcock, The 39 Steps stars Robert Donat and Madeleine Carroll.
Why so serious?
Christopher Nolan steps back into the director's chair for this sequel to Batman Begins, which finds the titular superhero coming face to face with his greater nemesis, the dreaded Joker. Christian Bale returns to the role of Batman. Maggie Gyllenhaal takes over the role of Rachel Dawes, and Brokeback Mountain star Heath Ledger dons the ghoulishly gleeful Joker makeup. One of a cluster of late 1970s films about the Vietnam War, Francis Ford Coppola's Apocalypse Now adapts the Joseph Conrad novella Heart of Darkness to depict the war as descent into primal madness. Apocalypse Now stars Martin Sheen, Marlon Brando, Robert Duvall and Frederick Forrest. This sweeping, highly literate historical epic covers the Allies' Mid-Eastern campaign during the World War I, as seen through the eyes of the enigmatic D.E. Lawrence. Lawrence of Arabia stars Peter O'Toole, Alec Guinness, Omar Sharif and Anthony Quinn. From Disney Pixar comes Up, a comedy adventure about 78-year-old balloon salesman Carl Fredricksen, who finally fulfills his lifelong dream of a great adventure when he ties thousands of balloons to his house and flies away to the wilds of South America. But he discovers all too late that his biggest nightmare has stowed away on the trip, an overly optimistic 80-year-old wilderness explorer named Russell. The film is directed by Peter Docter and Bob Peterson. Akira Kurosawa's epic tale concerns honor and duty during a time when the old traditional order is breaking down. Seven Samurai opens with Master Samurai played by Takashi Shimura posing as a monk to save a kidnapped farmer's child. Impressed by his selflessness and bravery, a group of farmers beg him to defend their terrorized village from bandits. The samurai agrees, although there is no material gain or honor to be had in this endeavor. Fred Dobbs and Bob Curtin, two Americans searching for work in Mexico, convince an old prospector to help them mine for gold in the Sierra Madre Mountains. The Treasure of Sierra Madre is directed by John Huston. It stars Humphrey Bogart and Walter Hudson. How would you like to star opposite the tallest, darkest leading man in Hollywood? Enticed by these words, brunette leading lady Faye Bray dyed her hair blonde and accepted the role of Ann Darrow in King Kong, and stayed with the project even after learning that her leading man was a 50-foot ape. King Kong is directed by Ernest B. and stars Faye Bray, Robert Armstrong, Bruce Cabot and Sam Hardy. Errol Flynn stars as the titular character in this Academy Award-winning film. The movie has been called both the best Robin Hood film and quite possibly the best production that Errol Flynn was involved with. The Adventures of Robin Hood was directed by Alan Hale and stars Errol Flynn along with Olivia de Havilland. In a futuristic city sharply divided between the working class and the city planners, the son of the city's mastermind falls in love with a working class prophet who predicts the coming of a savior to mediate their differences. Metropolis is directed by Fritz Lang. The Ring is based on the Japanese film Ringu. It did successfully carve its own path with a wonderful setting, a creepy soundtrack, and a good if somewhat gimmicky plot device to drive the scares. There are TV shows that are so unapologetically bold, they literally bowl you over with their content. Here are the 10 boldest TV series that up the boldness quotient with every coming season.